Here we're going to look at upgrading an IronPort encryption appliance. So we need to SSH onto the appliance so we can run the CLI commands. If you're using Windows, of course you can use PuTTY or other SSH clients that are available for the Windows. Okay, so if we choose About, we can now see the version that this appliance is running. And here we can see it's 651. So let's open up a browser and log on to the IronPort support portal. So on the left, underneath appliance documentation, we can see encryption. If we select that, we're now able to see that there's an upgrade from 651 to 6511, and we can download the upgrade script. Okay, now we've successfully downloaded that, we need to be able to upload that file to the IronPort encryption appliance. So let's move aside that CLI session we've got running for the appliance. We'll be using that again shortly. Let's open up another terminal window, and we're going to use a tool called SCP to upload that file, and here are the help options. Of course, if you're using Windows, there's other tools that will help you do this, such as WinSCP. So we can see that we're going to obviously call the path, send it to the destination and destination path. Okay, so that's now been uploaded. Right, now that's done, let's return back to the CLI session that we've got running on the appliance, and here we'll now choose a hidden command called X. We can now use ls to do a list, and these are the files in the admin path, and we can see the file that we uploaded just a moment ago. So if we now call shell, followed by that file, we're now going to execute that script. Okay. As part of this process, it's going to stop the IronPort encryption processes and make a backup of the server before proceeding. Okay, it's now running through the actual IronPort upgrade process, and we can see that's been success, so it will now be starting up all the encryption processes once more. We can go and check this. If we now type in exit, we will return back to the CLI session, and we can now choose T to tail the logs. Here we can see activity of the processes all being restarted. Once we're happy with this and everything's looking good, we can now return back, choose A for about once more, and we can now see that we're running version 6511. We can check this also in the browser session. So if we log on to the IronPort encryption appliance here, again this is going to be HTTPS followed by the address followed by admin. Okay, everything's looking good there. So in the top right hand corner we can see the About link. If we choose that, we'll have a pop-up window, and here we can also see now 6511 is the running version.